I know that you want to do something only you could do, but I want to know if you're okay. You haven't answered any of my calls or my messages. I'm worried that I lost you too, Shoko. So please say something. Anything. I just wanted to check again. It's okay if you want to stay away, but at least say something so I can tell that you're still alive. I kind of miss you, you know? Chen and I are free tomorrow, so want to hang out at the mall or something? Just the three of us. You can finally meet my little sister, and she's even cuter than before. So tell me if you can, okay? Please.
On that rainy night, Nailgun had once more done what she had promised herself to stop doing. Even if she didn't want to admit it, she couldn't let go. No matter how much hope she had, it was all genuinely hopeless. Ochako longed for an answer from both girls. What she didn't realize was that from one, it was highly unlikely, while it was downright impossible from the other. No matter how hard she tried, no responses would ever arrive. Similar to multiple nights prior, she cried herself to sleep. Perhaps someday, she would be able to move on and let go. Of better days, she dreamed, holding on to those dear to her, hoping for them to never let go.